Ever stop to ponder about the capabilities of the phone you're holding right now? In the blink of an eye, the world of smartphone technology has catapulted to heights unimaginable a decade ago. It's fascinating, isn't it, how this little device has intertwined itself into the fabric of our everyday lives. From the moment we wake up to the second we drift off to sleep, it's there, assisting, entertaining, connecting. But let's get real for a moment. Is your phone keeping up with your pace? Does it deliver the performance you need? Does its battery last as long as your day does? And what about its features? Are they enough to satiate your thirst for the latest tech? It's a lot to consider, but remember, it's not just a phone. It's a tool, a companion, a gateway to the world. If you're seeking an upgrade, the Realme GT5 Pro just might be the answer. Introducing the Realme GT5 Pro, the latest flagship powerhouse that's taken the smartphone market by storm. This isn't just another phone, it's a statement. A testament to the perfect blend of style, substance, and technological prowess. The Realme GT5 Pro is a device that doesn't just fit into your lifestyle, it enhances it. From the moment you lay your eyes on it, you'll notice the difference. The sleek design, the sublime craftsmanship, and the premium feel. It's a smartphone that doesn't compromise on aesthetics. Every inch, every curve, every detail of the Realme GT5 Pro speaks volumes about its flagship status. It's not just built, it's meticulously crafted. Let's talk about the build quality. The Realme GT5 Pro is not just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. The sturdy construction, the robust materials used, the attention to detail all contribute to a phone that you can rely on. It's a device that's built to last, to endure, and to perform. The Realme GT5 Pro redefines what a flagship model should be. It's not just about the high-end specs, it's about the overall experience. It's about a device that's not just powerful, but also smooth, responsive, and intuitive. It's about a phone that understands your needs and meets them with ease. But what's a flagship device without a touch of personalization? The Realme GT5 Pro offers a variety of colors to choose from. Whether you prefer something classic or something a bit more daring, there's a Realme GT5 Pro that matches your style. Add to that the variety of accessories available, and you have a phone that's truly yours. But a phone is more than just its looks, isn't it? Let's delve into the features. At the heart of the Realme GT5 Pro sits its powerful engine, the Snapdragon 8 6 Gen 3. This powerhouse is much more than just a chip. It's the brain, the heart, and the soul of this device, bringing together speed and efficiency in a perfect symphony of technology. Let's delve a little deeper into what makes this processor stand out. The Snapdragon 8CX Gen 3 is the third generation of Qualcomm's 8CX series, an elite group of processors designed specifically for high-performance devices. This processor is built on a 7nm process node, which might sound a bit technical, but essentially means it can handle the most demanding tasks with ease. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking, this processor ensures a smooth, lag-free experience. But it's not just about speed. The Snapdragon 8 CX Gen 3 is also incredibly efficient. It's designed to optimize power usage so your device can run longer and perform better. This means you can enjoy hours of gaming or streaming without worrying about your battery dying on you. What's more, this processor also supports advanced AI capabilities, giving your phone the ability to learn and adapt to your usage patterns. This means the more you use your Realme GT5 Pro, the smarter it becomes, providing a truly personalized experience. And let's not forget about connectivity. The Snapdragon 8 CX Gen 3 supports multi-gigabit 5G connections, ensuring you're always connected no matter where you are. This means faster downloads, smoother streaming, and an overall better internet experience. In a nutshell, the Snapdragon 8 CX Gen 3 is a powerhouse that ensures your Realme GT5 Pro is always ready to deliver top-notch performance. It's the perfect blend of speed, efficiency, and intelligence, powering you through your day every day. With such a robust processor, this phone certainly packs a punch. But what about its stamina? A phone that drains too quickly can be a real buzzkill. Thankfully, the Realme GT5 Pro is here to save the day. Now let's talk about something crucial for any smartphone user. Yes, you guessed it right, the battery life. One of the standout features of the Realme GT5 Pro is its robust 5000 mAh battery. Now that's a number that'll make you sit up and take notice. But what does it mean for the average user? Simply put, it means endurance. It's like having a marathon runner at your fingertips, ready to go the distance. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a serial binge watcher, or someone who just can't put their phone down, the Realme GT5 Pro is built to keep up. And it's not just about the size of the battery, it's about how intelligently it's used. This phone's power management system ensures that every milliampere hour is utilized optimally, giving you the most out of every charge. So you're not just getting a big battery, you're getting a smart one. But what happens when you do eventually run out of juice? Well, that's where the Realme GT5 Pro's fast charging capabilities come into play. Imagine this. You're getting ready to head out. You grab your phone and it's almost dead. No need to panic. With its fast charging feature, you can get it back to full power in a jiffy, ensuring you're never left in the lurch. The Realme GT5 Pro doesn't just give you a battery, it gives you freedom. Freedom from the constant worry of running out of power. Freedom from being tethered to a charging point. It's a phone that's ready to go when you are, and it stays ready for as long as you need it to. So, we've got power and stamina covered. What about the visuals? Join us in the next segment as we delve into the stunning display capabilities of the Realme GT5 Pro. Stay tuned! The Realme GT5 Pro doesn't disappoint when it comes to delivering high-quality visuals. It boasts a grand 6.7-inch QHD plus AMOLED display that turns every interaction into an experience. Now, what does QHD plus mean, you ask? It's Quad High Definition Plus, a resolution that is 4 times sharper than standard high definition. This means images are incredibly detailed, colors are more vibrant, and everything you see on screen is presented with stunning clarity. This display is like a canvas that brings your content to life. Whether you're streaming your favorite show, browsing through your photo albums, or playing the latest mobile game, the Realme GT5 Pro's display ensures everything looks fantastic. But it's not just about the sheer size and resolution. The phone's AMOLED technology makes a significant difference too. Active Matrix Organic Light Emitting Diodes, or AMOLED, is a type of display tech that illuminates pixels individually. This results in deeper blacks, more vibrant colors, and a higher contrast ratio. So, whether you're in bright sunlight or a dimly lit room, the display adjusts to provide the best viewing experience. Now, let's talk about the smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. This is a game changer, particularly for those who enjoy mobile gaming or love a seamless scrolling experience. A higher refresh rate means the screen updates more frequently in a second, resulting in smoother motion on screen. So, whether you're navigating through your social media feed or in the middle of an intense gaming session, the Realme GT5 Pro ensures everything moves fluidly. But what's even more impressive is that the phone intelligently adjusts the refresh rate based on what you're doing. That means it conserves battery when you don't need that extra smoothness and ramps up when you do. Clearly, the Realme GT5 Pro is a top-tier smartphone. But what does all this mean for you? The Realme GT5 Pro is a well-rounded package offering power, performance, and visual brilliance. With a robust processor nestled within its sleek design, it delivers a seamless user experience. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking, the long-lasting battery ensures you're never left in the lurch, powering you through your day and then some. The dazzling display brings your content to life in vibrant color and crisp detail, making every interaction a visual treat. And let's not forget the camera that captures stunning shots, making every moment a memory worth cherishing. But the most striking feature of the Realme GT5 Pro is its value for money. Despite being a flagship device, it doesn't burn a hole in your pocket. It's a testament to Realme's commitment to delivering top-tier technology at an affordable price. So, if you're on the hunt for a new smartphone, the Realme GT5 Pro is a choice you won't regret.